Terrain Tamer has many different clutch kits to suit numerous different vehicles in the marketplace, and for many years they've had their Fortified Clutch Kits. But now that's been superseded with their Fortified Plus Clutch Kits. This kit has a number of advantages that are going to suit those vehicles that have power upgrades, GVM upgrades, or carry or tow heavy loads. In this video I'm going to unpack some of those benefits and how they'll help you get many thousands of kilometres out of your next clutch kit. Terrain Tamer is always looking to develop stronger and more innovative solutions for those of us using their brand. Terrain Tamer has spent many years working with the Japanese manufacturer of the Fortified Plus kit, developing their own tooling and working with the military who require a torque increase from the clutch of over 80%. Therefore, those of us who have got power upgrades to our motors, we're towing heavy loads, also carrying heavy loads, are going to have a clutch kit that is more than capable of handling the way we're using our four-wheel drives. One of the key areas of development was the incorporation of a product called ClutchTech Kevlar. Now this is the first time ClutchTech has been used in the four-wheel drive industry, and it's this surface area, the actual friction surface on the clutch plate. That's been applied to both sides of the plate, and part of the key advantages of ClutchTech is it's able to handle the high heat which is developed if the clutch slips under extreme load. The second is it's really good at controlling clutch shudder. A key advantage of the ClutchTech Kevlar is it gives really good life to the friction surfaces and your clutch in general, about 2 to 3 times that of the original clutch. The ClutchTech is designed to give you a nice smooth engagement, but there's also a certain softness, and where this is important is it means that the pressure plate and the flywheel are going to last the life of your clutch plate. With years of learning on the Fortified Clutch Kits, Terrain Tamer have applied those learnings to the Fortified Plus kit, and that means that every area of the kit has been looked at for areas of weakness, and those areas have been addressed. For example, the damper springs here in the clutch plate have been upgraded and improved so they give better control on the clutch plate. The drive straps on the pressure plate have been upgraded so that they can also ensure that they are transferring the drive from the clutch plate surface into the gearbox. And the pressure plate body is made of spheroidal graphite, which is then anodized. And this is going to give us a corrosion resistant pressure plate, but it's also going to ensure that the main housing can hold and control the forces that are involved in this heavy duty clutch. The spheroidal graphite gives the pressure plate excellent anti-burst characteristics. Every Fortified Plus kit comes with a set of tech notes, and it's really important that you follow the bedding in process that is outlined in these notes. So contact your nearest Terrain Tamer stockist to find out more about their Fortified Plus clutch kit. I'm MadMatt, stay safe on the trails.
Terrain Tamer have a 50-year-old promise to deliver quality engineered four-wheel drive parts.